Hi, I'm your marking specialist today, and I wanted to go over our Mark300ADE kit with you and everything that it comes with. Our kit comes with our model Mark 300. This unit is our electrochemical marking unit, which you can do normal etch and deep etch markings. Here is a sample of a normal etch marking, and here is a sample of deep etch, which is about 2 to 3 thousandths. But with this unit, you can go up to 9,000 steep. So that's the wonderful thing about this unit. You can normal etch and deep etch. And this unit also comes with your 300 cord set. So you have a cord to go into your mark, your ground, and your cleaner tray. You get your cleaner tray, which cleans your stencils, and a pack of cleaner wicks. It's a 10 pack. You get your HP 515, which is your normal etch hand pad, and that comes with a 10 pack of screen cloths. Okay, so you get your deep etch hand pad, which is 1/4 by 3/4, and that comes with 10 pack of wicks, which is actually you get 6 packs of these, so you get 60 wicks with this hand pad. And then you get our 1/2 by 1.5 deep etch hand pad. You get 6 packs, so you also get 60 wicks for this hand pad, 60 wicks for this hand pad, and 10 packs for the normal etch. It also comes with your electrolyte, so that's gonna go to clean your parts after you etch. So we have our MSE1 electrolyte solution, and that is for aluminum, stainless steel, black oxide. Okay, so your MSE4, which is for Inconel, Hastelloy, and alloy steels. You get a 4 ounce of your RB10 solution, and that is also for cadmium, tin plate, and you can also etch titanium with RB10. You get 2 quarts of our APC cleaner. So this cleaner goes to clean your parts after you etch them. You get 2 quarts of this and a small 4 ounce of APC cleaner, okay? You also get our APC cleaner wipes. So if you don't have any rags handy available and you just have your cleaner, you can use our APC wipes to clean your parts. You also get 100 pack of our die impression stencil. So you can go ahead, put this on an old-fashioned typewriter and make your own stencils to etch your parts. Or you can also contact us and we can make stencils for you. We offer photo process stencil, which you get a sample of our photo process stencil. It comes in gold and green, and we can make it to your design. Anything that you want, we will make it for you. And then you can go ahead and etch your parts so that they can look like so. So you get all of this stuff in this kit, included with our product catalogs and instruction manuals. Contact us today so we can build your kit or assemble the right kit for you. Thank you.